you know this, but it is called the Margabandhu Stotra. You hold on to Lord Shiva and He takes care of your journey. So before we do that, can we have the stool in the front? This is going to be performed by all of my students that you saw tonight. So please enjoy.
Shambho Mahadeva Deva, Shambho Mahadeva Deva, Shambho Mahadeva Deva, Haravanam Kiretam, Alanetraksishadadbhapandeshu Kritam, Suragasaratiputam, Siddhamadhendruchuram Bhade Madhavandhum, Shambho Mahadeva Deva, Shambho Mahadeva Deva, Shambho Mahadeva Deva, Ange Viraja Bhujangam, Abhraganga-taranga-bhiramottamangam, Omkaramati-purangam, Siddha-samsevidam Bhade-Madhavandhum, Shambho Mahadeva Deva, Shambho Mahadeva Deva, Shambho Mahadeva Deva. Padapadamikam, Kalakantham Mahekam, Mahavyomatekam, Pundabhadam Suresham, Koti Surya Prakasham Bhade Madhavandhum, Shambho Mahadeva Deva, Shambho Mahadeva Deva, Shambho Mahadeva Deva. Mandara Bhuterudaram, Mandarajendra Saram, Mahagaurya Duram, Sindhura Dura Pracharam, Sindhurajadidhiram Bhade Madhavandhum, Shambho Mahadeva Deva, Shambho Mahadeva Deva, Shambho Mahadeva Deva. Chidanandarupam, Siddhakeshwarupeshwai Pratapam, Kakshaswaragendratapam, Srittivasam Bhade Divyatanmadhavandhum, Shambho Mahadeva Deva, Shambho Mahadeva Deva, Shambho Mahadeva Deva. Appayyayatvendrakītam, Stottarājam padhetyastu bhaktya prayāni, Sasyartha-siddhim vidhatte, Margamadhye bhayam chāchutosho madesha, Shambho Mahadeva Deva, Shiva Shambho Mahadeva Deva, Shambho Mahadeva Deva. Shambho Mahadeva Deva, Shambho Mahadeva Deva, Shambho Mahadeva Deva.
Thank you, everybody. We're really blessed to be here for this auspicious occasion. I hope you enjoy the program. And any of you who are interested in dance and want to learn, please stop by and stop me. And ladies, kids, thank you so much for being here and doing a wonderful job. Moms, everybody who helped out, everybody who's here to watch them, we really do appreciate it. Art is something that needs to be shared, and the more you do it, the more you enjoy. So please come and watch all our shows. We're always at Temple Dancing for any occasion. Thank you so much. Om Namah Shivaya.